There's no use talking about the problem unless you talk about the solution. Good day, everyone. I am Maria Lilapinid and my partner, Riamin Nova Rejes. And we are the Group 3. Our topic is all about problem solving. Problem solving is an act of defining a problem, determining the cause of the problem, identifying, prioritizing, and selecting alternatives for a solution, and implementing a solution. So now, let's start our assigned topic with Riami Rejes.
Good day, everyone. This time I will be presenting to you another problem, or shall I say, illustrative example. What we are going to do is that we are going to analyze, understand further the statement given, and then look for a solution, right? So let's start. So I have here an illustrative example assigned to us. According to the statement, we need to determine the digit 100 places to the right of the decimal point in the decimal representation 7 over 27. So masabta naman no, nga ato daw i-determine kung unsang ika-100 nga digit nga decimal point sa fraction nga 7 over 27. So for the solution, let us now proceed sa step 1, which is to understand the problem. So, express the fraction 7 over 27 as a decimal and look for a pattern that will enable us to determine the digit 100 places to the right of the decimal point. Meaning, at tuwa express into decimal ang fraction na 7 over 27, unya, if ma-decimal point na siya, at tuwa pangitaon or i-determine kung unsa kahang ika 100 place niya. So, unsa gid kaha? So, nasabtan na nato ang problema no. So, mo proceed na ta sa step 2. Sa step 2, it says nga, we have to devise a plan. So, magplano ta. It says here nga, dividing 27 into 7 by long division or by using a calculator, the decimal 0.259259259, since the decimal representation repeats the digit 259 over and over forever. We know that the digit located 100 places to the right of the decimal point is either 2, 5, or 9. A table may help us to see a pattern and enable us to determine which one of these digits is in the 10th place. Since decimal digit repeat every 3 digits, we use a table with 3 columns. So una, kung ato ay divide ang 27 into 7, we can get a non-terminating repeating decimal nga 0.259259259 and so on, di ba? So ato makita nga rin nga ang numbers nga giasigi og balik-balik are the numbers 2, 5, and 9. Do you agree with me? Yes, that's correct. So kung mao na ang tulo ka number nga kanunay nga magbalik-balik, asa ka sa 2, 5, ug 9 ang ika-100 place. So, to see the pattern, naaba mo nakita nga pattern nga. So, para masabtan ug makita nato og klaro, mugamit ta og unsa man ato nga gamiton? Yes, mugamit ta og table para mabaw-an nato kung unsang number nga masulod sa 10th place. Since the decimal digits repeats every 3 digits, mugamit ta og table og tulo ka columns. If nakabantay mo sa table, hangtod na sa 15th ang decimal digits no. So, explain ako ang table ha. Sa column 1, naa siya location ng digit right. So as sa column 2 and 3, di ba? Okay, so unsa ganito ato ang first 3 digits, di ba? Ang 2, 5, ang 9. Kaya ang first digit is 2. Ibutang nato siya sa column 2. And so, kaya ang third digit kay 9 man ibutang nato siya sa column 3. Got it? Nakuha ra guys. So unsa may ikaupat nga digit? Di ba 2? Ang ika-11 unsa man? Di ba 5 na? Ang ika-21 unsa man nga digit? Naa sa column 3 ug 9 ng iyahang digit. Para mas masabtan pa nato og klaro, naa si Ria Lila Pinid ang modiska sa step 3 and step 4.
Now, kay nakabuhat naman tag plano no. Nakabuhat sa taog table para makadetermine sa ika-100 place. We still have to proceed sa step 3 which is to carry out the plan. Only in column 3 is each of the decimal digit locations evenly divisible by 3. From this pattern, we can tell that the 99th decimal digit, because 99 is evenly divisible by 3, must be a 9. Since a 2 always follows a 9 in the pattern, the 100th decimal digit must be a 2. Meaning to say, if nakabantay mo, only ang column 3 ra ang ma-divisible kayo sa 3, no? Ang column 2, divisible ba siya into 2? Dili. So, ang column 1, divisible nga ra. Wala sad. Naa sa column 3 ang pattern nga atong gipangita kay divisible man siya into 3. Meaning to say, ang 99th place na belong siya sa 9 nga digit, right? Unsa may ma-follow sa 99, di ba? 100. Okay. So, asa nga digit between 2 and 5 and 9 na belong ang ika-100 place? Naa sa 2, correct. The 100th decimal digit must be a 2. Very good. So, are na ba tam stop? No, we still have to proceed on the last step, which is to look back. The above table illustrates additional patterns. For instance, if each of the location numbers in column 1 is divided by 3, a remainder of 1 is produced. If each of the location number in column 2 is divided by 3, a remainder of 2 is produced. Thus, we can find the decimal digit in any location by dividing the location number by 3 and examining the remainder. For instance, to find the digit in the 3,200th decimal place of 7 over 27th, merely divided by 3,200 by 3 and examine the remainder, which is 2. Thus, the digit 3,200 places to the right of the decimal point is a 5. Thank you.
Problem solving is a method teachers can use to guide students through any kind of problem. There are 4 steps to problem solving. Define the problem, make a plan, put the plan into action, and check the result. As an example, you'll see how these ants use the 4 steps. The first step is to clearly define the problem. To understand what the goal is and what is keeping you from reaching that goal. The ants want to move this cookie into their anthill, but it's too big to fit. The second step is to make a plan for solving the problem. This step includes talking about information and ideas that will be helpful. The ants decide to break the cookie into small pieces and move them into their anthill. The third step is to put the plan into action. They break up the cookie and move the pieces. And the fourth step is to check the result. It looks like it's working. Sometimes the plan does not solve the problem. For example, this piece is still too big to fit. But that's okay. The 4 steps may need to be done more than once. It's an ongoing process until a solution is found. Define the problem. Make a plan. Put the plan into action and check the result.